Today, we are going to break down MailerLite. Think of it as a complete toolkit designed to help you take your passion and turn it into a real, thriving online business. We're going to see how it's so much more than just an email platform. It's basically a launch pad for all your creative ideas. So let me just ask you, do you have an idea simmering? Maybe it's a product you've been working on, a skill you know you could teach, or just a passion that you are finally ready to share with the world.
I bet you do. But here's the thing, and anyone who's tried will tell you this, the hardest part isn't having the great idea. Nope. It's actually building that bridge, that real connection with the people who need to hear what you have to say.
So how do you build that bridge? Well, the very first step is to create an online home for yourself. A central spot where your audience can find you and gather around. And this is exactly where the toolkit comes into play. MailerLite hands you all the essential building blocks. We're talking a website builder, tools for custom blogs, landing pages that are designed to grab attention, and of course, those super important sign-up forms.
And the best part? You really don't have to be some kind of tech genius. These tools are made for creators, not for coders. So you can build a really beautiful, professional-looking home for your brand without ever having to touch a single line of code.
Okay, so once you've built your online home, it's time to invite people in and actually start a conversation. In this next part, we'll get into how you can engage your audience and start turning those subscribers into a really loyal community. Which, of course, brings us to the next big question for every single creator out there. You've built your list, now what? How do you keep people interested, engaged, and how do you build a real, actual relationship with them? Well, the secret here is something called email automation. Seriously, think of it like your own personal assistant who's working 24/7. It sends the right message to the right person at exactly the right time, all on its own. It's how you build those relationships at scale without burning yourself out. And let me show you just how simple it can be. Picture this. Someone new discovers you and signs up on your website. Boom. Instantly, they get a personalized welcome email from you. Then, maybe 3 days later, another email follows up with a cool resource or a special offer. You just set it up one time, and it does the work for you, for every single person who joins. And making these emails, it's not some big, complicated task. With MailerLite's AI-powered drag-and-drop editor, you can design these beautiful, engaging emails in just a few minutes. It's all about getting rid of those technical hurdles so you can just focus on your message. All right, now we're getting to the really exciting part, turning all that passion and connection into actual profit. Let's look at how you can monetize the relationships you've worked so hard to build. And if you do, you'd be in some pretty amazing company. Over 1 million other creators and businesses are already using this platform to do exactly that. So yeah, this isn't some small niche tool, it's a proven engine for growth. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Listen to William Nutt, the founder of Notion VIP. He said that after switching, his email list just exploded, and he credits the dependability and the pure ease of use of MailerLite. That's a huge testament to how the right tools can just completely change the game. So how does it work? Well, MailerLite gives you a whole monetization toolkit. You can sell your digital products like ebooks or downloads directly, connect your Shopify or WooCommerce store seamlessly, or even launch a paid newsletter subscription, all from inside one single platform. But MailerLite is more than just a bunch of tools. There's a whole support system built around a really simple but powerful philosophy they call keeping it light. And it really is that simple. Their entire philosophy is about one thing: making complex stuff simple. It's this deep commitment to not just giving you powerful features, but making absolutely sure they're intuitive, clear, and easy for anyone to use. And they seriously back that philosophy up with incredible award-winning customer support. I mean, look at this. They're available 24/7. They have a staggering 97% satisfaction rate, and their average response time on live chat is just 5 minutes. That means when you're stuck, real help is just moments away. And finally, this platform doesn't exist in a bubble. It's designed to play nicely with all the tools you're probably already using. It seamlessly integrates with things like Stripe for payments, Zapier for connecting apps, Shopify for your store, and WordPress for your blog. It just fits right into your world. So we've walked through the whole toolkit: how to build your home, how to engage your audience, and how to turn your unique passion into a profession. This brings us to the one final and honestly most important question of all. What will you build for your audience?